You are attending computer coding class.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to change time and date of system clock in Windows operating system using Python. Here I will use Win32 API of PyWin32 package. So first of all we will install PyWin32 package. Here I am using Anaconda command prompt for installation. For installation of PyWin32, you can use pip command or conda command in Anaconda command prompt. Conda install -c Anaconda PyWin32 that will install this package in your system. To verify whether PyWin32 install or not, we will write conda list PyWin32. This is the information. Now we will verify whether Win32 API is imported successfully or not. It is imported successfully. This tutorial is divided in two parts. First one is training and information section. In this section we will learn how to set the system time. There is a special formula. You will have to follow that formula. In second part we will do coding. System clock time is based on GMT times. GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. Now it is also called UTC, Universal Time Coordinated. Indian Standard Time means time of New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai is based on UTC time. Its time is UTC plus 5 hours and 30 minutes equal to 24 hours. This is UTC plus 530. This is the Indian Standard Time. So UTC's calculation will be 1830. 1830 plus 530 equal to 24 hours. So midnight time means 12 AM is calculated by using this formula. So midnight time will be 18 hours and 30 minutes. If you want to set time at 6 AM, then your hours will be 0 and minute will be 30 minutes because 530 plus 030 equal to 6 AM. Here 1830 plus 530 plus 030 equal to 24. If you want to set afternoon times means 12 PM, then you will have to set 6 hours and 30 minutes. If you want to set the time as 6 PM, then your hours will be 12 hours and minute will be 30 minutes. This is the formula for setting the system time of your clock in Windows operating system. Let's start coding. Here I am using Spyder as an editor. First of all we will import necessary library files. First one is Win32 API and second one is date time. Here class name is date time. First we will call now function that will give date time in a single string and stored in dt variable. Second we will call UTC now function and store time in tm variable. Next we will filter hour, minute, second and millisecond from this UTC now function. Here we can access only time in microsecond, so we will have to convert this microsecond in millisecond by dividing microsecond with 1000. This is first part of this program. Here we calculate present time. Now in second part we will filter out year, month and day from date time now function. Day of week means week number. Here we will have to use ISO weekday function in place of weekday function, because here we require day of week as 1 to 7 format, means Monday equal to 1 and Sunday equal to 7, whereas in weekday function we get 0 to 6 format, where Monday equal to 0 and Sunday is 6. This is the ending of second part in this program. Now in third part we will ask input from the user. Here we will give 3 choices to users: time, date or both. If user select time, then he will have to enter new time in form of hour, minute, second and millisecond. If user want to change system date, then he will have to enter year, month, day and day of week. Here I am using if else for entering choices. If you want to change system time, then it will take system time from user and system date will be by default present date. And if you want to change the system date, then it will take system date from the user and system type will be present time. Here third choice is both, where we will have to enter new system time as well as new system date. If you enter any fourth choice, then system will be exited. It will close the program. This is our third part of the program. Now in fourth part we will call function of Win32 API. The name of function is set system time that will update the system clock. There are 8 arguments of this function. First one is year, month, day of week, day, hour, minute, second and last millisecond. If you want to change the date, then you will input new year, month and day of week. At last we will print system clock updated. This is the system clock time and date which we will change by using this function. Now we run the program. This program is asking the choice. Our first choice is date. Here I am entering 9th September 2022 as a date, and day of week is 05 means Saturday, and change the system date. Our program has changed the system clock. This is new system date, that is 9th September 2022. Again we run the program, and now we will change the system time. System clock is showing 6:35 p.m. as a time. It means it is evening. Now I will change this time to 6:30 a.m. means morning. I will have to enter hour equal to 1, minute equal to 0, second equal to 0 and millisecond equal to 0. This will update our system time. You can see here new system time 6:30 a.m. In third example, I will again call time and change this time to 6 p.m. I am entering hour equal to 12, minute equal to 30 and second and millisecond both are 0. That change our system time to 6 p.m. This is the program. Thank you.